Meet Angie. Angie is a developer working for an online agency. She is tasked with writing a new hotel booking feature. Where should she start? In test driven development, you start with writing tests first. When you run the tests, it'll fail. Now you write code to satisfy the test to pass. Then keep refactoring your code to always pass the test whenever you change the code. Test driven development or TDD can be used for both functional testing as well as unit testing. The tests are written first, then you write new code to pass the test, as opposed to testing after you've written the code. Use TDD after you've understood and documented your acceptance criteria. The tests that you write will help you both with design and documentation of your code. In your tests, call real objects and evaluate them, and use code substitutes if the real objects cannot be called at the moment while you're in the process of writing them. When you're writing TDD for functional testing, you might need to interface with external systems like databases. You can use code stubs or mock those external objects in code or use a simple implementation like an in memory database. Those code stubs or mock objects will verify states of the end user tests for the purpose of satisfying your TDD test. Mock objects verify the behavior of the end user tests. Let's say you're interfacing with an external documentation system. An object in your code encapsulates the behavior and interactions of the documentation system. Design your mock objects to emulate that encapsulated object instead of creating a mock object for each interaction of the documentation system. Using an assertions framework is a great way to validate states of an end user test. Concepts and Beyond provides mentoring, training, and coaching services for Agile, product management, and DevOps.